Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and today we're in Las Vegas. We're at the Embassy Suites Las Vegas hotel property. This is a Hilton property and one of two Embassy Suites hotels located close to the Las Vegas Strip. This particular property is right across the street from UNLV, which is perfect because we were here for a college visit for my son. So we were literally able to walk back and forth from the hotel to the campus, which was amazing. I wanted to give you a peek at what this property looks like from up here on the 6th floor, but I'm also going to walk you all over the property to show you our favorite features. But I love how Embassy Suites has this open layout. The sun comes pouring in, just a really neat property. I'm going to walk you back here to show you our room again. We're on the 6th floor. We are in room 624, and I'm going to show you our favorite thing about Embassy Suites is that every room is a suite, and it makes it so nice for family travel, especially when you're traveling with kids and teenagers. As you can see, kind of a nice living room type area here, and this room specifically is tucked back up here on the 6th floor, which I really like, down a little hallway kind of thing. So again, kind of a living room type area here. That sofa is a sleeper, which makes it nice if you want to divide up everybody. There's a television set here. There's a desk type table, and the table comes in really handy because the other thing that we love about these rooms is they include a kitchenette type area. They're really like kind of a mini apartment. You've got your countertop, your sink, your coffee machine, really nice refrigerator. They've got a microwave in here for you. So many close by restaurants and stores. You could bring food back to the room, bring food up from upstairs. Here you've got your 2 queen bedroom area. I'll take you back to that in a minute, but just want to show you the overall layout and how much room you have here. The bathroom area, this one is really large. I do believe they have different style bathrooms, so if you book, make sure and ask about that. This particular bathroom, very spacious, really open shower area, which is nice. Got the shower, a shower wand, and just a huge walk-in shower area. Take you back out here, lots of storage. You've got a big area right here with your extra pillows, blankets, ironing board and whatnot. Lots of room for hanging clothing, and then you've got another desk area here, television set, your 2 queen beds, and then if you're on the view side of this property, you can get a great view of the Las Vegas Strip. It also looks really cool at night. I will include video of that later in this video so you can see that. We look down upon the wonderful pool area here and just out over all of the happenings in Las Vegas. You can walk over to the Strip. It's also a super quick Lyft or Uber ride. I think it costs us about $10 before tip to do that, but also a pretty easy walk if you wanted to also walk over. And again, just kind of really nice location here in view, and I'll give you a peek of that again later in the video, but there's a look here at our 2 queen bedroom suite at Embassy Suites. And I want to show you a little bit more of the hotel and the things we really enjoyed. This is a peek of the hotel property of an evening. Lots to do, lots of common social areas on this property. There's a bar area in the back, a pool table, television sets, lots of seating. This is also the breakfast area for the morning. They have a wonderful breakfast, omelet bar. That's all included in your stay, which makes it really nice, especially with families again. So much room, great for business trips too as well, because they have a lot of areas where you can sit and do that. I love these little workstations, the pop-up outlets. Makes it really nice if you are here on business or just want to come downstairs and get some work done. I thought these were really cool. They also have a really nice gym, everything you need to get your workout in. We found this to be really clean, spacious. They have lots of equipment. This is located on the main floor, as is the business center, which I didn't get any video of, but they have a great business center. If you have any work to get done, you can do that there. And then one of my favorite things about this property is on the main floor, right by the lobby, they have this huge convenience type store where you can grab snacks, beverages, microwavable food products to take back to the room. You just kind of grab and go, pay for them at the front desk, charge them to your room, whatnot, but take them up to the room. My kids love that. And then here we are back in the room as promised. I wanted to give you a look at what this looks like at night, looking out over Las Vegas, over the Strip. This is a great way to be in Las Vegas without being in the middle of everything. You can kind of come and go as you please. But there is a peek at that. The Embassy Suites, Las Vegas. And this is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.